Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It is a relatively simple design of a single name, and let's go ahead and get straight to the design. I'm going to be referencing the key on top here. I will say what letter stem it is, either on the top row a deep divot, second row floating circle, third row shallow divot, and then fourth row is a crossing circle. And then I'll also note the number of dot modifiers or line modifiers. And then the vowels, I'll probably just say as vowels, but an A is outside, E centered, O is internal, I's have a line going inwards, and U's have a line going outwards. So let's go ahead and get to this design. So we have this deep divot, first row, and then one line, so in the one column, that makes it the G. The A is a little guy outside of our word circle. The R has 3 dots and is a shallow divot, and the Y is a full circle crossing the line with 2 dots, so that would be the Y. My little bit of flair was adding the line thickness, otherwise it's a fairly, standard but still unique name. I'm pretty happy with how I got the dots to line up with the line there. It makes it pretty, balanced, I guess. I don't know. I like it. I hope you like it too. Thanks. Bye.